Camels are large, humpless creatures native to the deserts of Africa and Asia. These resilient animals are renowned for their ability to thrive in harsh desert environments, thanks to their unique adaptations. Camels store water in their humps, which are actually fat reserves. When the camel needs a drink, it converts this stored fat into water. This can provide a camel with enough water for several days, making it the ultimate desert navigator. Camels have an incredible endurance, able to travel long distances without rest. They can cover up to 50 miles a day, making them essential for trade and transportation in desert regions. Their large, splayed feet help prevent them from sinking in the sand, allowing them to move swiftly and sure-footedly. Camels also have a special layer of hair on their bodies that helps protect them from the sun. This fur reflects sunlight, keeping them cool in the scorching desert heat. At night, they conserve body heat by curling up and tucking their legs under their bodies. Camels are ruminants, meaning they chew their cud. This allows them to digest tough plant materials that other animals can't, giving them a steady source of food in the arid desert. Their long, flexible necks also help them reach vegetation that other animals can't, further expanding their diet. Camels have been domesticated for over 4,000 years, and are still used as working animals in many parts of the world. They are known for their loyalty and intelligence, making them excellent companions for their human handlers. Their adaptability and resilience make them a symbol of survival and tenacity in the face of adversity. In modern times, camels are still an important part of desert life, especially in countries like Egypt, Saudi Arabia, and Australia. They are not only used for transportation, but also for milk, meat, and wool production. Camel milk is particularly prized for its nutritional benefits, including its high levels of iron, vitamins, and minerals. Camels are truly fascinating creatures, adapted to life in the harsh desert environment. Their unique adaptations have allowed them to thrive in some of the most inhospitable places on Earth. Next time you see a camel, remember the resilience and tenacity that has made them the ultimate desert navigators.